Well, I don't do any shorts, but here's one maybe. So this is a mate's amp, and I thought it was just going to be a simple matter of changing one pot. So one of these pots here was not, it was scratchy and wasn't clamping the jack in properly. So I desoldered it from here, but to get to it I had to pull the whole jolly little amp apart. And then to make matters worse, I misplaced, I cannot find this, and I don't want to desolder anything else. So and I couldn't buy it anyway. So I have this, just it's functionally the same, and I've soldered wires onto here. But while I was fiddling with it, I've broken the pins off this little amp. Fortunately, it's a $10 or $11 part. I decided I didn't want to muck about by desoldering, well, unscrewing stuff from the heatsink, and then suddenly turned around and I'd broken those feet off. So off to Jaycar I go to buy another one of these, another one of them, with the legs attached, and I'll have to solder that on. But it's funny how these little jobs just suddenly become not quite so little. Anyway, let's see how we go.